Hi, it's Matt from Weekends RV Rental in Sonoma, California, and I'm going to tell you how to use the outdoor shower on our 25-foot Jayco Greyhawk RV. This is one of my favorite things on this entire RV, particularly if I'm going to the beach and I'm going surfing and I need to just rinse off before I go in. Or let's say your dog's dirty or sandy and you need to rinse the dog off. This is perfect for this. Super easy to use. Just open it up. Got your handle here, you got cold water here, and yes, you got hot water. You can take a hot shower outside, okay? This thing in my hand, this is located underneath in the storage area. Little bamboo mat, keep your feet clean. Put the bamboo mat down here. And you can either do it by hand, or better yet, this handy thing I installed the other day, I love this. Put it in here, stand it here. Out a little. That's just about right. Stand here, and then this little red switch right here, this is the water pump. So just turn that on, and you'll have fresh water coming out either from your freshwater tank, or if you have city pressure in, it will come in through there. But you also get hot water. So you can take a hot shower outside, and if you have city water coming in, you can take as long a shower as you want. My favorite thing on this, the outdoor hot water shower. Thanks for watching.